Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to open a shared mailbox in Outlook Web for 2025. If you're working in a team or managing multiple accounts, this feature can save you tons of time and hassle. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through it step by step, so you can get it done in under a minute. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Outlook Web account. Open your web browser and go to outlook.office.com, then enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for the app launcher. It's that little grid icon usually in the top left corner. Click on it to open the menu. Next, navigate to the Mail app or Outlook if it's not already open. Now, here's the key part. Click on your profile picture or the settings gear icon in the top right. From there, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the dropdown. This will take you to a settings page where you can manage your mail options. In the settings menu, go to the General tab and then select Accounts or Shared Mailboxes, depending on the updated interface for 2025. Look for an option like Add a Shared Mailbox and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the shared mailbox you want to access. Type it in, and Outlook will verify the permissions. If you have access, it should add it automatically. Once added, head back to your main inbox. You should now see the shared mailbox listed either in your folder pane on the left or as a separate section. Click on it to open and start accessing emails, calendars, or any shared content. If you run into any issues, double-check your permissions with your admin. And there you have it. That's how you open a shared mailbox in Outlook Web for 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it'll make your workday a lot smoother. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.